How to delete stories from Facebook. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Facebook application. I will show you by uploading a story first and then deleting it. For reference, I will just download this random picture and put it as story. Now my story is being uploaded. Wait for after the story is uploaded, simply tap on your story, tap on this three dot from your top right corner, and then you will see an option of delete photo. Tap on it, confirm deletion, wait for it to delete, and done. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.